All right, let's take derivative of this trig function, okay? So we have sine here to the power 9, here, 5x. So how do we differentiate this? Okay, now let's pay attention here. Now, solution. So we have y equals to sine. So we have the power as 9, 5x. Now, let's understand that when we have sine to the power 7x, okay, the same as sine x all to the power 7. So this one is written in this form. Okay. So we have this one as that. So it's the same as y equals to sine 5x all raised to 9. Okay. Now from here, what we are going to do here is to do substitution. Okay. So we are going to apply the chain rule formula. So you introduce a new rule here, a new variable. We'll let a variable represent this. So let u represent what is in the bracket. That is sine 5x. Sine 5x. Okay. All right. So we are going to differentiate this and do same to this one. Now remember we said this one is u. So in going back, I'll say y equals to. So I'll have u here. So it's u to the power 9. So let's take dy du and then du dx. So from here, dy du. So this one will be 9u to the power 8. Okay. And then du dx. Du dx will be, how do we differentiate this? So when we have sine ax, the same as a, now derivative of sine is cos ax. Okay, so a is the number here, so this side will be 5 cos 5x. Okay, 5 cos 5x. That's that. Now, so knowing dy du and du dx, we can write the chain rule formula. So that's dy dx. So dy times dx. Okay, and this side will be occupied by du. So dy dx, du. Simple as that. So we can do substitution here. So dy dx. So from here, dy du is here 9u to the power 8 times, and du dx 5 cos 5x. 5 cos 5x. So from here, dy dx, that is 9 5 45. Okay, u to the power 8 cos 5x. So it's the same as dy dx 45 cos 5x times u to the power 8. But u is what? U is sine 5x. So that is sine 5x to the power 8. Remember the rule, this 8 come here. So the final answer will be dy dx. And we have 45 cos 5x. Okay. And sine to the power 8 5x. So this is the answer. All right. So subscribe for more exciting videos like this.